Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna-baked sushi. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of cooked sushi rice, 2 cans of flaked tuna in oil or water, and a generous ½ cup of Japanese mayonnaise. Don't forget some cream cheese, a dash of sriracha for a little kick, and several sheets of nori seaweed. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our main components. For the rice, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt while it's still warm. Next, drain your 2 cans of tuna very well to avoid a watery bake. In a separate bowl, mix the drained tuna with about 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, the ½ cup of Japanese mayonnaise, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of sriracha for a mild spice. Stir until everything is well combined. Navigating Notion on your phone is intuitive. Swipe right to access your sidebar, providing quick access to all your pages and databases. Consider adding Notion widgets to your home screen for one-tap access to your most important pages, like your daily to-do list or project tracker. The powerful search bar allows you to find any piece of content across your entire workspace in just a few seconds, saving you valuable time. Finally, let's get this deliciousness into the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the assembled sushi for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the dish to heat through. For that perfect golden brown top, broil it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, watching carefully to prevent burning. Once done, let it cool slightly, then serve warm with crispy nori sheets. Enjoy your homemade tuna-baked sushi.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.